Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can sign up or create an account in Doordash app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Doordash app. So once you open your Doordash app, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply tap on continue with email, Google, Facebook or Apple ID. Once you select the method, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the sign up option. Once you have gotten into the sign up section, you need to type in your first name, last name, your email address, and then select a country code and type in the mobile phone number. Once all the necessary credentials are completely filled up, you need to hit the sign up button, or you can even continue with Google or with Facebook to get signed up or create an account in Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.